good looking. Let's get making them Swedish meatballs. So what you're going to be needing is roughly about 1 pound of hamburger and a ½ pound of ground pork. Here is my ground pork. And here's my ground beef. Then you're going to be wanting 1 cup of Quaker Oats quick cooking oatmeal. Add 1 egg. You're going to want 1 tablespoon of dried minced onion. 1 packet of this True Lemon. Half a teaspoon kosher salt. Half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. And half a teaspoon of allspice. Now we're going to need some really special tools, and these tools, my grandma always sat there and said, they're always readily available in any kitchen, and you know what? They're attached right at the end of your arms. So go right on in and just start mixing this all up with your hands. I'll be back when I'm all done mixing these little babies all up. Okay, that looks like it's all nice and mixed. You don't want to overmix it. Alright, I have a small ice cream scoop that I'm going to be using. Sheet over here that I'm going to be just putting the formed meatballs in. So all I do is just come in here, scrape it all off, and then I just plunk them all right down onto my tray. Now, I'll see you when I'm all done making my meatballs. And there's all the meatballs. Now, I'm just gonna sit there and take these over to the Blackstone griddle, and I'm just gonna sit there and give them a browning on the outside. We do not want to cook the meatballs all the way through. We just want to give them a nice brown color on the outside. Just be sure that you're going to sit there and put down about 2 or more tablespoons of canola oil on the Blackstone griddle or on a cast iron pan. That way none of the meatballs will stick. Alright, the Blackstone griddle here is heating up. I have the meatballs here, and now I'm just going to start throwing these all down in no particular way. I'm just tossing them on. And here they all are, and like I said, we're just going to sit there and brown these babies all up. And it's okay if they get a little brown, you know, that's all the beauty of home cooking. You know, such as like this one. This one's starting to get a little brown. That's perfectly fine. It's just a little bit of added extra flavor for all of us to savor. And I like making a whole bunch of these up and just browning them up like I am doing right here. And then I would put them back onto the cookie tray and then transfer them right out to my freezer to flash freeze. That way I can bring these out for future meals.